And then one day he called me and he said, there's a guy coming out from New York, from the Yiddish theater, to do a weekend of production, performance, at a theater here in Los Angeles called the Wilshire Rebel, and they're looking for a guy like you that can speak some Yiddish. I said, great. I was looking for anything to do, either make a little money or act or both. So I went and I met the man. His name was Michal Michalewsko. Mr. Michalewsko and his wife were in this production. I think the play was called The Friedliche Kapzunen. It was a silly musical, and I was playing a silly young kid, and he's my older brother who has to save me from making serious mistakes. And it was 3 performances, sketchy rehearsal schedule, and then 3 performances. And the pay was $35 for the job, and I was so happy to get it, and so happy to be working with these people around the Yiddish language, with the Yiddish-speaking audience, acting and getting paid. Everything was great. I had a wonderful time with him. He was a sweet man. He was kind of a chevalier kind of guy. There was always a scene in the middle of the play where he would come on stage in a tux and a top hat, and he would do a number of drinking songs of some kind, and he had choruses that could last a half hour. You know, you didn't know when he was going to finish. As long as the audience was applauding and cheering, he'd keep going. It was a showcase for him.